Thank you again for watching me, for staying by me. We'll go to the next question on construction. Look at the question. The question says, construct what? Construct a triangle BCD. So we have triangle BCD. I thought to construct it, that is CDE rather. So triangle CDE. If you are constructing that, such that what CD is equal to what? 5 centimeter. So having 5 centimeter, what's the next thing that we have? We have it that CE is 8 centimeter and ECD is what? Is 135 centimeter, 135 degrees, 135 degrees. Now construct the bisector of ECD at the perpendicular bisector of CD. Label the point where the two bisectors meet as I. Measure CI, DI, and EI. So let's go together. Let's just have a rough sketch of what we're about doing that will guide us properly. Let me see. Let me use this place. Let me say this is a triangle. Since we are dealing with triangle, CD is a CD. Let me make this CD. CD is 5 centimeter. CE, CEDE, okay, it's not bad. CE is 8 centimeter, and ECD, this place 135 degrees. Construct the bisector of ECD. Need a bisector of this at the perpendicular bisector of CD. So here we strike, here we strike, the same thing here we strike, then we get this. So let's go together. Let's go together. So I haven't gotten a sketch of what we want to do. Let's follow it. We get the question done. So because I'm not using a ruler and I want to be careful with my line, so I want it straight. So let me use this so that we'll see. I'll be able to measure that it's straight something. So I need 5 centimeter, right? So 5 centimeter from here to this place. So I'm having this of 5 centimeter. The center is 2.5. So I think I'm good. Yeah, I can manage the line. So I call the line what? CD. CD. Call the center. Oh. So I need 135. Wow. So I would like a semicircle, probably a big one. Necessarily not. That's semicircle beginning is bad. So what do we have now? Go from here. Strike. Is there any place I need an angle? No, luckily. So, oh my me, trying to get my bearing from where I started, so I need to be careful. So let me just go and get all my 60 straight before I start having issues. So here, I guess this should actually. So I can't get can you see now there's an error there? So you can't get that 60 that way. So you need to correct that. It's already double line, so it's wrong, right? So what do? I need to locate out where my semicircle, but I have to get another semicircle. So I won't fall into error. So what do? I need my compass to actually be firm. After this video, I'll make sure I work on it to be firm. Again, it's very shaky, but I can still manage it. So I go this way. I don't want it too big. I don't want it too small. So I have this. See, can you see how it shake now? I don't know if you saw it, I saw it. So I have this. Very almost forming double lines. So now let me form my 60 straight up. Can you see the error I'm falling into? This is error. So I need to correct all these errors. They are not good, you get? So make sure you are having the right, no double lines, nothing like double line at all. If not, there will be a serious problem. So let me just manage this to form my 60. I haven't gotten that my 60. I won't bisect this again. Come here, strike another 60. So I have two 60s there. Now let me just go. I need 105, right? 105, that means I need 90 plus 45, right? So let me get my 90 from here. Come here, strike, come here. Strike. This gives me my 90, right? I haven't gotten my 90. Let me trace it down. Comparing that to where I want to work with. So 90. So I can indicate this place as my 90. Right? Now that's 90. I need 135. 90 plus 45, right? This is 90. If I bisect this, good, I need to do that. So I extend this because I will bisect this other 90. If I must get the right answer, so I need to do that, just that. So I have this, we use another point. So I need this, I already have this 90, right? I'll bisect this other 90. I'll bisect that. I come here. So I have that. Let me just strike here. I come here again. Strike. I've gotten the other 90 and 45 plus 90 will give me 135. So I can now from there place my ruler to this point to be sure I've gotten my 135. And my 135, I was told that it should be 8 centimeters, right? But let me just draw this now. I will get 135 to be, this is 135 actually. Then it should be 8 centimeters, right? So we go from here. Okay, it's almost 8, but it's not yet. So I just need to increase, extend it a bit. So this is kind of 8 centimeters. So what do we do next? We are just meant to, this is 135. So let's just join, since we are not given the dimension for ED or DE, let's join it together to the point where it is here. So this is this. So we have that. So what do we have now? We have CD, we have E, right? So what's the next question? We're bisecting this angle. Do you remember we bisected in the other video? So what do we do? Get a convenient position for yourself. Here. Let me use this. This one we're not too short. So I have this strike. Strike, and at those points you bisect the angle, so you can strike now outside. Come here. We have successfully bisected the angle, so we come here, straight line down. That's the bisection. So what's the next question? He said after bisecting, then construct the bisector of ACD, which we have done, and perpendicular bisector of CD. We need perpendicular bisector of CD. Oh, yeah. Come to CD. Nothing too far. Let's come here. Strike. Come here. Strike. We need perpendicular bisector, right? Then you come here. This is CD. CD. Can you see the point where you strike now? Can you see the point? Can you see that? So we have bisected. This is perpendicular. When we form a straight line, that's not perpendicular bisector. So you have the perpendicular to line CD. So join the point. So what joining the point will give us? Joining the point, perpendicular bisector. We have that. Okay, very good. All we have to do is to extend it. This is perpendicular bisector. I see. So if you maintain this line, this straight line, maintain it. I want you to strike this. I see where it meets the bisector of ECD. This is the intersection. So we give that place a point, a name. He said the bisector of CD. Label the point where the two bisectors meet as I. We call this point I. Then the next question will now be where the bisectors meet. Then measure CI. CI should be what? From here. Measure CI. We have 9, 6.5, 6. 6.5, 6.6. Let me call it 6.65 centimeter. Then the next one is what? CIDI. Where is DI? DI, this is DI. From here to here. Oh, sorry, DI. Let me use a broken line to indicate the distance. So DI from point I to point D, and to D we have 6 points. We'll call this 6.652. 6.65 centimeter. Then what other point have we drawn? That means it's going to form an isosceles triangle. Can you see this? This point is forming an isosceles triangle. Then I have EI. Use a broken line too. EI, a measurement. EI should be 8.3. This is 8.3 centimeter. And that's what we are told to do. So we are done. You can do your own practice. Don't worry, in the subsequent videos we'll be doing more of what? Constructing, using our locus, loci, and the rest of that. So with parallelogram, other shapes. specifically quadrilaterals. Take care of yourself and be fine.